All right, I'm in your stream, crackhead.
All right, start giveaway.
Well, you got to go live first. You already live?
I think so. It's just taking a minute to load up, I guess.
Hold on, we got to wait for you to go live because I don't see that you're live.
Oh.
I guess go ahead and start it. It's fine. I don't see that you're live yet. Okay, there it is. Okay, now you're live because I hear myself.
All right. Started giveaway. Oh, yeah, there it goes.
All right, now I'm going to try to enter.
Oh, it's iCash. Remember, I changed it to iCash.
Oh, yeah.
Or exclamation.
Well, it doesn't.
All
It
right.
didn't say that in the. Oh, well, actually, the iRaffle worked.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it says use It says exclamation point raffle.
Oh, okay. So that was the other settings, I think. The other one that I deleted a while ago.
So now, all right. So that's fine. We just wanted to make sure it works. So it's working.
So it won't put the people in here until for the 20-minute countdown, right?
Well, as soon as someone goes in there, you can see one user, so it shows me in there.
Right.
Yeah.
But it won't
So,
allow
there
me
we
to.
go.
It won't allow me to pick winner until the timer's down, right? Is that how it
Until
is?
it ends, yes. Okay. Until it ends.
All right, gotcha. All right, we'll cancel. Makes sense. Confirm. All right. We'll just delete these or remove.
All right. Well, I'm going to go ahead and go live. Are you just going to go live from here? Do you want to stay live or you want to wait a little bit? I mean, it's only 15 minutes early. So,
yeah, I may run and get a coffee real quick though.
Okay.
But I'll stay in here with you. It's not a big deal.
I'm going to go ahead and start mine.
Okay.
Good morning. Good morning. Got to do a quick audio check. Make sure we're good. Hear myself. Okay. You guys hear me too. What's up, Timbo? You there, Denny? Say something.
So I can't put you on my screen though, right? Because it'll back noise twice, correct? If I watch your channel.
No, you can't. No, there's no need for me, but I see myself on yours just fine. So
Okay. I'm
there. I'm there.
I'll just put it on my other screen and turn down the sound.
So you should be able to hear me through your headphones though in real time.
Yeah. I was just trying to watch the stream all together, is what I was saying.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't want to put it on this computer, then it backfeed, double the sound.
Let's see here. Let's find the eval that we're going to be on today. I think we're going to start on the Take Profit Trader eval. We're going to try to trade this the same as we trade our funded accounts, I guess. It's going to be the idea today. We do have some news today. Interesting enough.
That's crazy.
What do we got? Let's take a look. We got the global services PMI at 930. Wait, let me see. Make sure. Maybe 945. 945, 3-star. 10 a.m. manufacturing PMI. Probably not going to do much, but we'll see. You never know. 1030, a little crude oil. Beyond that, not really much. Bill auctions, GDP. I think the market's open today until 1. Volatility in the house. Good morning. You got Husk with us today.
Yeah, just give me a minute. I was trying to get the rest of my stuff set up. We've been trying to get the other stuff figured out first.
So we're a little bit early here, but that's all right. We are going to do a $100 giveaway today. 4 $25 cash prizes, I do believe. Joaquin, good morning. Tame Tiger, good morning.
The big money.
So I don't know. We'll start kind of like, I mean, it looks like we're headed to all-time highs, right? We're at 217, all-time high 371 there. May not get there today, as today is, First 10, 15 minutes, we probably have moves. And then beyond that, who knows what we'll get. So you hit your personal max loss limit in London. That sucks. Yeah, I'm going to be on Take Profit Trader and evals only unless something just screams at me and it just says, methodical, take me. And then I'll take it. But otherwise, we'll just be on evals. But I'm not going to be slinging them around. I'm going to try to trade them reasonably. You guys know what that means. Take Profit Trader.
I listened to Oracle's trader stream all day yesterday, dude, and the noises coming out of his stream, dude, just had me laughing so much yesterday, like on the inside.
Oh, yeah. Squeezy McSqueezerson. You can't say some of them. We get in trouble, so.
I know. I was trying not to. It's like it was so hard not to repeat.
Black Beauty in the house. What's up, Hitskoler? Again, guys, we are going to do the giveaways today, but we're going to do those on Husk stream. So let me go ahead and get the link to Husk Traders thing in the description here. His YouTube channel there. After this week, Apex, you have closed out and canceled 2 past 250K accounts. Oh, you closed it out? Yeah, I don't blame you. Husk, I'm kind of your thing doesn't have a. I don't know. Okay, I got it. I found it. Never mind. All right, so this is Husk, who's here with us today. You guys want to enter the giveaway that we're going to be doing later, you will have to be subscribed to Husk, and we're going to be doing the giveaway through his chat. So you got to be subscribed to him, and the giveaway will be done in his chat, not in mine. So if you see what we did there, if you see what we're doing there, we want to get Husk some subscribers here. So he's currently at 241. Let's see what we end the day at.
Then once I get to 500 subscribers, I was going to also do a $100 giveaway.
Yeah, he's going to do 100 giveaway. So, I mean, hey, if we get there today, you never know, right? You never know. That's right, Robert. That's what we want to do. Leonard in the house.
Well, I may have
Trading junkie.
I have to say, I may have to do mine on Mondays. Remember, I don't know if I have my PayPal set up. I hadn't used that crap in I don't know how long. Probably since the last time I bought something on eBay, which has been forever.
If we get there today, we'll do it today, and then you can just give it back to me.
All right.
Regular person, do I think Bulanox will do 90% off? Man, I think there's a pretty high chance we get some sort of sale today or tomorrow with Bulanox. Oh, Inrothable jumping in here trying to say twinsies. I don't look nothing like this guy. Look nothing like this guy. Never met him a day in my life.
Maybe it's the same grandparents or something.
Yeah, it could be.
Well, I'm a generation off from you. I remember I'm a second cousin, so I'm not.
His mom is my first cousin.
Yeah.
What's up, Spy Girl? Maxie, Spy Girl says, hey. Spy Girl, you spelled my name wrong. It's Allen. Coach Cleats, how's it going? All right, let's take a look at the news. Like I said, we got 9:45 news and 10 a.m. news, which is a little weird on a half day. I don't think we're going to get a ton of volume out of that, but hey, you never know, right? And we just ran the Asia low here. We'd already ran the Asia high, so I was actually looking at this wick down here as maybe a draw it open, but unfortunately, we just ran it. I'm just kidding, Spy Girl. No big deal. What's up, Eduardo from Brazil? Brazil.
I don't think I've finished up the settings. Shoot, I don't want to mess that up.
What?
Oh, Manzini's levels above 60. I don't think I've... Or maybe they're way back here. Let me look. They may be way back here. Yeah, that's what.
I'll go ahead and go over the levels here for Manzini myself anyway. Take a look.
Yeah, they're up.
I mean, the level should, I mean, I don't know. Let's see. Textbook breakdown the prior day's low, 5506, triggering along. 65 was my first target. We squeezed here based all night. Half trading day today. Keep riding those runners. 58 to 63, 75, 82 next. So we're already at the 60. 58 to 63. That zone there. 75, 82 next. 58 fails. We dip to 42.
Yeah,
Pretty wide zone there if we lose 42 or 58.
Yeah, we've pretty much
70.
been trapped between that 16 and or 19 and 60 for like 2 weeks.
I don't know, guys. What do you feel for today? I feel like we're going up. That's what I think. We may just chop sideways, might not do much, but I feel like, maybe we push up here at open. How's it going, Sue? Anna? Kind of just push up there at open. Guys, we got Husk Trader with us here. Pull his stream up too if you have the ability to. Subscribe to his channel because we're going to do a giveaway today, and you got to be subscribed to his channel in order to enter the giveaway. So there you go. So we got about, 25 minutes here until open. I think we're going up. I don't know, though. The Husk man cometh. He giveth, and he taketh away. Oh, no, wait, that's the markets. What's up, Laura? I'm digging the new washer and dryer there, Laura. I haven't seen it.
I know.
But I'm digging the idea of the new washer and dryer.
Methodical Man saw that post yesterday with the washer and dryers we had. He's like, man, I was expecting like some beat up ass washer and dryer to look like it was duct taped together or just barely holding on.
Yeah, Husk has been repairing on these washer and dryers for weeks. Going pretty good, Anna. How you doing this morning? So I figured you would be. The new washer and dryer is the way to go.
No, they just got to that age where the sensors and stuff started going out in them. So
I don't think those things.
I really have a new one.
Yeah, I don't think they were that old though. They weren't all that old, as far as washer and dryer go. Like washer and dryer used to be like they last you 10, 15 years, and now,
oh yeah,
5, 6 years. You're looking at new ones. Oh, I'm at the beach over here. I forgot.
Good morning, Black Beauty. Dude, I think brand new, those are like $2,000 washer and dryer. So.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Let me get back to my office. He's been lacking fixing the dryer. He's been struggling.
Whatever happens once, then a freaking different set of sensors went out. Someone's like, you got to replace every freaking sensor in there. So
you just go with the new one. You don't just replace stuff. Come on, man. Come on.
That's the dealio. So if I walk away abruptly, that means Lowe's has showed up for the new washer dryer delivery.
Oh goodness. What's up, Mr. O?
Hopefully it's not in the middle of a trade. Like, hold on, Lowe's.
Man, they opted for the delivery too. Me, I just pick them up myself. The delivery is probably the way to go, though. I probably should have done that when I got mine because I was on the second floor, and that front load washer is no joke. The thing's heavy. Anyways, if you guys are just joining us, we do have news today. We do have news, 9:45 and 10, 3-star. Not quite sure know what we'll get out of those, but we do have global services PMI and then manufacturing non-manufacturing PMI. 9:30 or 9:45 and 10 this morning. So we'll try to be careful today. I mean, if you're trading today, guys, please take the warning. And if something just doesn't jump out at you, please don't take it on a funded account. It's up to you, but I wouldn't do it. So, they're 3 stops away. Man, they're out early.
Oh, okay. So I'll have to be listening for the door knock, guys.
Especially since Husk is in Central Time. I mean, it's 8 o'clock over there. FOMC is 2 p.m. Not today, though, Timbo, is it? We're closed at 2 anyway. It's not today, is it? There's no FOMC today. Or is there? I mean, there might be. Yeah, I mean, FOMC is at 2, but the market's closed, so that's not going to matter. That won't matter. That is odd. They have FOMC at 2 on a day where we're not even technically open. So we close at 1 today, I believe. 12 Central is 1 Eastern. Is that right? I think so. So that's when we close. But yeah, if you're pushing the button, just be careful. Again, I'm going to be on eval to start the day, and the only way I'm going to take a trade on my funded is if something just yells at me like, "Oh, this is an A+ setup, high probability, take me," and then I'll do it. But other than that,
did Manzini give out a buy area today, or he didn't have one?
5506 was his buy zone, so it's way down there.
Oh, okay.
So no real buy zone. I mean, I guess you could look at the 58 to 63 as maybe a buy zone, kind of where we're at right now. But yeah, I do have I got my accounts pulled up here. If I do take one on the fundeds, it'll probably be the 250Ks, but we'll just pull those up as needed. We shall pull those up as needed. Excuse me. Let's see here. I'm always clicking the wrong thing. What am I doing? Somehow I got... All right, there we go. But anyways, I'm expecting a move up. Like I said, we got about 20 minutes here until open. Anybody got any big plans for the 4th of July? The 4th of July, anybody shooting off some fireworks, doing something like that?
Yeah, that sucks, Trader, that happened.
Denny, are you going to shoot off any fireworks over there?
No, we have me being a little bit on the cheap side sometimes, we just participate in our neighbors because they buy a crap load of fireworks. So they would overpower mine anyway. So I might just watch theirs.
Yeah, it closes 12 Central. Denny's going to sit on his front porch and just watch the free show. So might be giving away information there, but sorry. I've called Husk Denny for 40 plus years. It's kind of hard to just call him Husk all the time. Sometimes I forget. But that is in fact his name. If you didn't know. Giveaway. What's the requirements to participate? SNR. The requirement is you have to be subscribed to Husk Traders YouTube channel. We're going to do the giveaway in his chat. And subscribers only mode is on. So in order to participate, you have to be subscribed to Husk Trader. And he is pinned at the top of the chat there.
Can you guys
get on over there? Oh, go ahead.
Oh, I was just going to ask if everybody in my chat can hear Methodical Man also.
Knew that was his name? No surprise. All right, SNR is already sub. You the man. Let's go.
Okay, thanks.
How did you know volatility? How? Can't watch your stream today, volatility, unfortunately, because everything that comes through my headphones, you guys can hear. So if I enter a trade without telling you, you guys shall hear. You guys will hear it all. Hanson, good morning. How you doing today? You know everything. Oh, volatility knows everything. Got one of those crystal ball things. I don't know. Crystal balls. Just kind of chopping sideways here, waiting on the market to open. Might just continue that once the market opens. I'm not quite sure.
Is the news at
You can
9:45 or 10?
9:45. We have whatever PMI, and then 10 o'clock we have news also. 9:45 and 10. Thinking up too, Hanson. I mean, like we got this little pullback here, but I think a run up makes sense. At open. You bought it as a joke to the stream once. Insider info, it doesn't work. You got the magic 8-ball. You shake it. And you're like, are we going up or going down? Oh no, it gave me the wrong advice. George in the house. Good morning. Anybody trade the overnight session? Looked like it was kind of choppy. It didn't look like much went on in the overnight. We had a kind of a grind move lower here, but it's kind of chopped sideways yesterday. Looks like at open, just a big idiot box, right? Somebody used to use. Was that? I don't know that he took trades off of it. Somebody had a little 8-ball one time. Who was that? Was that Patrick?
Yes, it was.
Okay, I couldn't remember. I thought it was him who had the little 8-ball. Shake it up. Yeah, Pay the Trader. We're doing inversions. We are trading inversions. Husk is doing it a little different than me. He's trading some other stuff as well. So we'll see what he does today.
Yeah,
he's typically been
levels.
Yeah, level to level, but he's been entering with like 1 micro and then scaling into his winners. Type deal. The Wheeland. What's up? Oh yeah, Alan. Oh. Marco, sideways action overnight. Your algo got chopped up. Yeah. It's tough to trade that. I mean, pretty distinct idiot box, right? Pretty distinct Tom Sabo box here. Stayed in the box from what? 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. and then kind of bounced out of it right around 4. Nice little idiot box. What's up, Fred? Good morning. Also, Husk, he trades the higher time frame a little bit. What, like 2 to 3 minute time frame mostly?
I actually take most of my trade on the 2 minutes.
2 minutes, yeah. So
the
you guys know me.
candle.
We might get on the dirty girl occasionally. 30 second. And the 1 minute mostly. So the 1 minute mostly, that's what we're going to do. You guys are just joining us. We're going to do a giveaway today. $100. It'll probably be 4 $25 prizes. We're going to do it on Husk channel over there. So it's pinned in the top of the chat there. So you need to get over there and hit the subscribe button. You got to be subscribed to enter the giveaway. So there you go. Dave just hit the subscribe button over there on the Husk. Let's go. You the man.
I haven't checked to see if there's a lot of other people streaming today.
Yeah, I don't know. So SNR thinks we go down. I don't know SNR. I kind of think we move up, but I mean, you never know, right? I mean, if we look at this from a logical perspective, right? If we just use our fib, let's just think. Just use our fib here. Initial balance is probably going to come into play a lot today. Then this wick that's resting up here at 56 is just in OTE. I mean, that makes a lot of sense to run through it open, right? In my opinion. So I need to probably mark out. I haven't marked this out the last couple of days, but let's do that today. Let's mark out the midnight open. The midnight open 235.75. Should see if we could get Tom in here to give us a Sabo guarantee or lack thereof, right?
Excuse me.
Sabo in here to give us a lack thereof of a guarantee. I just went up 50% for that 4 hour fair value gap and started trading lower. Yeah, I did see that. Oh, we do have.
Go ahead.
Oh, go ahead.
I was
Oh, go ahead.
I'll put it in the chat. Just since March 1st, or first week of March. You go ahead, Methodical. Is asking a quick question there.
I remember what I was going to say. Yeah, the normal market. So yeah, we close at 1 Eastern today, Isaiah. 1 Eastern. So let's check the 4-hour. I thought we're kind of bouncing between two. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. We ran this wick here. This is an area where we did reject hard before, but that last 4-hour candle looks awfully bullish. That last full candle there. So on the hourly, I mean, we've already pulled back and tapped this gap here. I suppose we could go lower. Maybe dig deeper into this. Maybe before going higher. Potentially. We'll see what happens. I don't know. My overall lean is just we just go up. I mean, that's what the market's been doing, right? It just goes up. Just goes up. So why fade it? Going good, fish lips. Timbo, according to Forex Factory, yeah. Thought futures traded past normal market. No, Isaiah, the market is closed completely tomorrow. As far as I know, and we're still open. Futures are still open for half a day. So today does count as an actual trading day. Tomorrow does not. So, yeah, futures only goes to 1 Eastern today. Yeah, FOMC minutes after the close is a little strange, right? I don't know. I thought that was a little strange. It might make for an interesting open at 6 p.m., right? So we are pushing lower here. Yes, back to the 63.
We got a huge 1 hour fair value gap below.
Yeah, did we tap into that though a minute ago or no? We didn't quite get to it.
Mm-mm.
See, I don't know why on my chart it shows we tapped into it. Like, this is the thing about Quantowers. Sometimes these charts are off a little bit. No, I guess maybe we didn't quite get to it. Yeah, we didn't quite get to it. And I mean, if you kind of measure 76 points. So yeah, maybe a 166s. That would make sense on a pullback here. Maybe comes back down, taps the midpoint of this gap, and then kind of goes. I don't know. We'll see. We just trade what we see. Just go from there. We're definitely trending down after that move up, right?
I feel like we break.
So we'll see what we get.
We'll probably go to the 140s. There's a pivot at the 140s.
Pivot down there at the 140s. All right. I have the pivots on here. I got the EMA, the opening range, pivot point. Yeah, I got everything on this one. Need to make sure I'm on the right account as well. Yeah, it looks like it. Well, if the ES loses the 58s, then we're probably going down. Maybe we do get a decent pullback today. So, yeah, do they send an email out, Isaiah? I don't know that they do. I know most of the other props do. They send an email out saying, yo, close your positions by such and such time. Seems like they probably should implement that as an idea going forward. Especially on these half days, right? To know when to not enter. I'll probably be done trading today at noon, even though the market stays up until 1. So what's up, Junior? Again, guys, we are going to be doing a $100 giveaway today. If you want to be a part of the giveaway, you got to go to the pinned chat message and subscribe to Husk because we're going to do it over there on his channel. So, see what we get it open here. Got about 5 minutes. I mean, I don't know. We'll see here. Yeah, volatility. I don't mind you winning, tripling it,
Mm.
quadrupling it even, and giving it away Friday. Volatility is doing a giveaway on Friday too. How much is the giveaway this month? Volatility. What did you say it was like? I think I heard you say it was like 180. No, wait, 1,080. Wasn't it $1,080?
Whew.
Volatility. I thought you said it was 1,080. No, I'm just kidding. 180. All right. 180 it is. I'll be looking to win that too. I won the races, I won the account, but haven't been able to win the cash one yet. Funny thing is, I was in Rat Lord's giveaways, right? Rat Lord did, I don't even remember the amount. Maybe it was like $500 or something. I don't know. It's a pretty big giveaway. And I couldn't even win that. 40, 100. What is that? Oh, so two $40 and one 100. I got you. What's up, Diego Fritz? How's it going?
Is today the day you're using your fresh eval, or is that later?
This is just on a regular eval that I'm up maybe $400 or $500 on.
Okay.
Take Profit Trader. So I'm using the Take Profit Trader because it's a little more expensive, and so I'm hopefully I can take smarter trades on it. So we'll see what happens. You guys haven't already hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. 3 minutes until everything breaks loose over here. Good morning, Berth. How you doing? Yes, pushing above the 63s here. You got the VWAP at the 65s there. That's why I think if the ES pops that VWAP, we just go. But we'll see. We might participate here at open if we get some sort of another manipulation leg lower and then we get some sort of long setup. We'll look for that. But we're kind of entering an area where I think it is a little bit interesting. This 200, 190 to 95 area. We lose that area there. It's going to get real interesting real fast. Downhill fast. But we'll see.
I'd like to see the fail break out of the 60, where it pushes below it and recovers.
Spy Girl, let's go. Yellow failed breakdown.
Yep.
Yeah, I might trade through there. I mean, that's potential. I mean, it kind of makes sense, right? But I don't know. I just still feel like the market's going to manipulate higher first. So I'm looking for a push at open, but we may just go straight down. Who knows? But Pine Tree, we call it in both directions, and then we just, just bring the giveaway personally to M109 in Hamilton Mill. Problem solved. Oh, you won the second account, Int Mondaily? Let's go.
I got some kind of error with your camera in the Discord.
I don't know why I did too. What's it doing?
Is it just yours or both of ours?
No, mine too.
Oh, I still see you on, or me and myself on yours. It's just I don't see you on mine.
I don't know what's up with it. It's going up and down exactly both ways. What's up, Caleb? Please run Camler have.
Well, if you can't figure it out, we'll just do it after the market settles down.
Yeah, I don't know. It's not working. They just not be on yours. I don't know. Good morning, Mad Moxie. I wonder why I did that. It's working fine on my side. Not in Discord, but it is working fine in the other one. I don't know what's going on with it there. To the moon. We're pushing up here. We're less than a minute to go.
All it tells me is just please run camera to hub to use Elgato Virtual Camera.
Yes, I see the same thing. Yes, and I think we're going to push here at open, but I'm going to try to be a little careful. Get my 30-second chart pulled up here. Yeah, about 15 seconds here. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get here.
Just give us a few. We'll try to get the camera fixed on the side in a little.
Problem is I can't restart it since we're already streaming.
Oh, okay.
All right, if we get a close above here, I'm going to probably stab long just for that run into the midnight open. I'm stabbing long here. Probably got in a little later than I wanted to. But see if we can get through the 200 here and get through the midnight open there at the 35s. Push up to the VWAP. See if it can go. There we go. Easy read right there at open. As I told you it was going higher. I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so. I told you so. Just kidding. Oh, just kidding. Yeah, like as soon as the ES popped the VWAP there, I don't know if you were watching the ES there, but as soon as that ES popped the VWAP, that was kind of my sign that you should at least reach the VWAP, right? That's what I was thinking. There we go, $205. Felt like a little bit of a bigger move than that, but I guess it wasn't. Up here, 256. I guess we left some on the table there, huh? I'd have left a few dollars on the table, but you take what you can get. ES pushing the 70 here. So ran that 56 level there. We actually did have equal highs there at 56. Almost triple equal highs. They were close. They just acted like the VWAP wasn't even there. Little rejection off the VWAP just went right through there. Husk, why you didn't jump in right there, all in on your funded? Boys on the table.
Did you take that long?
Yeah.
Okay, I wasn't even looking to the left of us, so I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, we took it.
We usually don't bother with the opening anymore. We usually just kind of sit and watch and wait for us to kind of get a direction.
I don't know, guys. I think this, 260s. I don't see how we don't. I don't know. Maybe we don't go higher, but this feels to me like we're just gonna run high here. Keep running up. And we still got news at the 945. Keep in mind. A little pullback here into the VWAP. Does the VWAP hold?
I might participate on a VWAP bounce.
Dun, dun, dun. I guess that push into the 260s also filled the overnight gap, right? The opening gap from yesterday. I forgot about that, but remember we closed yesterday. I don't remember where it was. Somewhere in the 260s. So maybe that's what the market was trying to do there. Now it's maybe going to move lower. We'll see. Like we just continue to push, though.
Missed the opportunity.
It didn't quite get to the VWAP. If it retests maybe like midnight open or something. Just ripping higher here, 260s. So what do we got? A little 40. How big is this candle? A 50-point candle at open here, 50-point push up. $283 up there is the previous, that's overnight high. 283.75. So overnight high up there, 283.75. Just joining us, we got Husk Trader with us. They're going to be doing a giveaway today. His channel is pinned at the top of the chat. And be doing a giveaway on his channel there. Yes, still did not run the overnight high there. So we actually do have a bearish S&T right here with the ES. It's kind of interesting. There is a 30-second short setup. I don't know though. Not going to take it, but this might, since I'm not taking it, it might just bang here, and that's what it's going to do. There it is. So if you would have taken that 30-second short setup, I mean, that already paid 20 points that fast. So lightning right there, just quickly. Bounce it off the midnight open. I fibbed this entire range. So we already hit OTE on this pullback. Funny because these candles look so much bigger than they actually are. I mean, like that's a 12-point gap. What do you think over there, Husk? What do you think? We going higher?
I usually like it better when the ES and NASDAQ are pretty much on top of the VWAP together.
Well, they are now.
Well, I don't know. 4 points is still quite a bit for the NASDAQ to push down if the, ES goes back and touch the VWAP.
Yeah, true. It might. Jamie, trade copier wasn't on. Actually, it does kind of feel like we're going to sell down a little bit here, but
it's almost like one of those fake breakouts above one of the Adam Manzini's levels. I kind of see that a lot. I get caught in those trades sometimes where you think it's going to go through, then it stops about a point or two afterwards.
Well, his next level up was 72, and we tagged it.
Oh, okay. I guess I don't have that level hit then. I have 75.
I'm sorry, 72 is overnight high. 72.25. 75 is the next level up. Maybe we do want to push higher. ES seems stronger here, kind of out of sync with the NASDAQ. It's pushing and the NASDAQ is not. So which one's going to win the battle? A lot of wicks on the bottom of this these 1-minute candles here. Looking like the NASDAQ's going to push to me. I don't know if I had the boys to jump in.
I mean, you can always participate. 1 micro or something. Add 2 on a runner. Right now, you'll be out about $20 if you jump in now.
I can't. I don't have mics pulled up.
Oh. Good morning, Carl.
I'm a mini man.
Powell.
I'm a mini man. I'm a mini. Can't do the mic. Nah, there's nothing wrong with mics.
I didn't pull the trigger. It was.
Oh, this is an interesting spot. What's up, Juker? Long time no see.
Traders also on minis.
I like to feel the reward and feel the pain at the same time, right?
Yeah. I feel like that's a
Thanks, Juker.
okay long there, trader, off that VWAP there. I just keep a tight stop loss.
Heck, we bounced off the midnight open. We bounced off the 200. Yeah, we are down 12 pounds officially today, 12.4 £12.4. So the update video will be coming on Friday. You know, give you a little insider information there since you're on the stream. 12.4 pounds. Got the news here in 6 minutes. 6 minutes. I'm tempted to long here. Very, very tempted to long here. I'm not going to do it, but I am tempted.
Nice. Nice on the funded.
What are we looking like on the funded? Trader took some trades on the funded?
Yeah, he said he's doing the funded today.
He's rolling with the funded.
I don't think I could do it on a half holiday. I mean, it's just like the volume just doesn't seem like it's there.
Don't murder rap. I can, Black Beauty. I think I didn't long. This thing's pulling back now. A little higher, lower high there on the ES. Got one going on the NASDAQ too. If we lose the 36s here, we could probably go back down and test the opening, the low of the opening candle here quickly. 16s. If we lose the 35s.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for after news, and I'll set that 15-minute break after we get through the first 15-minute candle. I like to use that for support and resistance.
And news here in about, what do we got, 4 minutes? Less than 4 minutes. Let me see if I can fix this camera for a second while we're waiting on that. I don't know that I can, but
I just told everybody from my lobby if they have to, just go over to your stream.
Well, they don't have to see me.
Well, that's up to them. I just didn't know if they wanted to look at me like, since I'm not talking as much. So.
You give all your gains back to the market. Zabak says that's murder rap. That's you getting murdered. Interesting wicks here. I don't know. Got a little order block here at the highs. Been holding up. It's tested a couple times, but it feels like it might get through there.
Oh, okay. So they can't see your picture, but they can still hear you. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, they can hear me.
Okay. Oh, okay. Well, that's all right then. As long as you guys have something to listen to. I just didn't want you guys just staring at me.
Like, JX in the house. Husk said he has the ability to stare at the screen and not say a word. Fall asleep with his eyes open.
Let's see. What's the indicator's name that shows your P&L? You can get that indicator from either Methodical Man's or my Discord. Let me look up the name of it real quick, though. It's like account information or something like that.
400 away from passing the payout. Now you're 400 away from blowing the account. Oof. That sucks. All right, everybody. Remember, news in 2 minutes. Maybe we get a nice little wick. We can set us up a nice news play.
It's under in the Discord. If you look at Zombie Pack download under indicators, and the name is under account information, and that will put your orders, positions, and your P&L here in the whatever corner you want to put it in. I think you can pick wherever you want to put it.
News play kind of feels like, what do you think? Up or down on the news here? Let me see. 9:45. Probably won't be much happening on this one, actually, but we'll see. Does it take us higher? Maybe. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, it's free. Also, we got Husk Trader. His link is pinned in the chat there for his channel. We are going to be doing the giveaway on his channel today. So you got to be subscribed to his channel in order to enter the giveaway. So just get on over there and do that early. And we're going to do $100. So it'll be 4 $25 giveaways. today.
We're just gonna hope
On
that
the
I don't mess
outside,
it up.
so you know what?
Hope I don't mess it up.
Now you'll be fine. And on the outside chance that he gets the 500 subs today, we'll do an additional $100 giveaway. Never know. He's got a little ways to go there. I don't know that we can get that far, but try it. You guys can do it. I know you can if you wanted to. DJ, how's it going? You really needed the payout to come in and that push the envelope. Yeah, JX, I feel it. I feel your pain there 100%. So you started using the hard stops?
Well, news didn't offer much.
No, I didn't figure that was going to do much.
Hey, David.
Just a very small amount of volatility. Let's go, TJ. Let's get it. Let's get that payout. Man, this is a tricky. I mean, it's not that tricky because we haven't really picked a direction yet.
As
Still
right
lean
now, it's
towards
gonna look like a scalping day.
Yeah. Well, that's what I'm doing anyway. I do that every day. We just scalp. Take my 5 points, my 10 points, and go. ES is pushing here. NASDAQ's kind of holding up here at the 50s, but I think above 59, we see 70 pretty quickly here. I was considering maybe a long above 59. And we're in an idiot box right now for sure. We do have news again at 10 a.m. On another 15 minutes. You're waiting for it. Yeah, probably not a bad idea, Leonard. It feels like we make a new high here if the ES is pushing. If we can get above 59 here, I think we go. I think we push into the 70, but do I have the nerve to press the button? Risk is kind of defined. It's about a 10-point stop if you enter now. All right, there we go, pushing the 59. Should see 70 fairly quickly here. Is what you want to see, a pop right into the 70. You don't want to see it kind of meet resistance, which is kind of what it's doing.
All right.
Yeah, it's didn't quite get there.
Might have to take a minute break. Lowe's is a few minutes away, guys. So maybe back in wherever how long that takes.
All right. SNR push by. You get a jinx removed. You were short. Stopped you out. Now it went to the target. Yeah. JX, we all had that happen, right? We all have it happen.
I have to say, I think my long is I'm gonna wait for us to push above the 15-minute, then look for a retest of the 15-minute, and I think that's where, if we go long, that's where I'm gonna look for.
Yeah, reasonable.
I need to get your 1 hour opening thing down that you've mentioned to me a few times.
Yeah, it's not mine. It's just what is it called? Oh yeah.
I don't know. You've told me about it, but I haven't really listened. Listen.
Initial balance high and low.
Yeah.
Same thing as the opening range, like you're doing. It's just an hour instead of 15 minutes.
All right, we'll be back in a little bit. Whatever, how long it takes Lowe's to get the stuff inside the house.
All right. Oh man, we're gonna have to tell Husk that crack kills. Was it Hush? Traders spelled in the description, is it? That's what happens when I do it quickly, right? When I'm in a hurry. We want him to hush. Let me see here. It does say hush. Close enough. Close enough. Good morning, Andy. Hush, little baby. That's right. That's what you saw, Ross. You saw that crack. You just put a belt on. 1 o'clock Eastern, JX. Get them some suspenders. We need to do something. His wife was in here. I don't know if she's still in here or not. Probably not. I tell her she's gotta tidy that up. Tidy that up. All right, now we're pushing into the 70. I mean, I guess if you entered at 59, you took a little drawdown, but not much. Plumber's tool belt. Time now is 9:49. ES made a new high. Yeah, NASDAQ just did too. NASDAQ was a little behind there, but let's wait for the 10 o'clock news and then we'll try to outline something. I mean, I thought a break of the 59 kind of made sense. And, I didn't have the nerve to take it. I'm trying to be a little more reasonable on my entries, but you could push into the 280s. Kind of makes sense, but who knows? We'll see. Don't want to do anything too crazy on a holiday, on a half day, whatever you want to call it. So ES ran through the overnight high finally there. Get it through the overnight high. Why are you working full time, a full day? I don't know. They got you messed up over there. Who do they think you are? Trying to make you work a full time, a full day. Dun, 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 dun. The Nerve 2020 2225 looks like a nice retrace area. Yeah, I mean, and I don't know. I mean, this is going to get ran quickly at some point, right? Probably on the news. I mean, is this perfect LRLR? No, not really. But it's close enough. Close enough here. So probably on the news we get some sort of. I would like to see some sort of wick down, leave us a wick, or some sort of push down and leave a wick up here. Come back to, but see what it gives us. We got about 7 minutes until the news. Seven minutes, and we'll see what happens. Boner candle in here. You might get an SMT out of this. ES not really pushing. NASDAQ is. NASDAQ looks like it wants to run that 284. Let's see. How does it get there? It hit London high. Yeah. Overnight high there. Yep. Same thing. Took your break even and ran. That sucks. Steve, I'm assuming you're talking about SMT, smart money trade. So it's where the basically one indice runs a level and the other one does not. So NASDAQ made a new high. ES failed to. So if we're just looking at both here, you can just see ES failed to make a new high there. NASDAQ did. So that's all that is. And kind of give you an idea that maybe a pullback is coming. Doesn't always work that way, but maybe. That sucks, JX. Already got the profits. Let's go. Hola, amino brother. Yeah, we're all well. So, yeah, Dodata has at 306. I mean, I think, I was looking for those to get ran last time, but still seems like that's where we're headed. Still seems like that's where we're headed. Kind of like tricky spot to take a short, right? Tricky spot to take a short. You don't really, you don't want to. Only 2 bad days out of 10 trading today. Yeah, JX. Today's not like, I don't know, man. It's just not a great day to be on the fundeds. I hate that happened to you, but like, unless something just screams at me to take it, I'm not taking it. Especially not on the funded. It's just, I don't know, man. It's just one of those days where trading the funded accounts is going to be tough. In my opinion. It's happened to all of us, right? How's it going, Joseph? 220 retest. We're gonna run those. We're gonna run those wicks for sure. This is gonna get ran eventually. Probably on the news. I don't know if we'll have an opportunity there, but it's for sure gonna get run eventually there. Huh. You guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Now there's no longer an SMT there. We pushing up here, NASDAQ and ES together. First level up here on the on the ES is 75. NASDAQ about to run the highs here. That's what it does, JX. It comes, stops you out, and then 1 or 2 candles later it goes. So what we got going on there, Kid Poker? NVIDIA pushing 123. We run that 83 there, so overnight highs tagged. Our long from this down here is looking pretty good right now, right? It's looking pretty good. We never came back to our entry. We left a little bit on the table, but we only have 1 contract. You never know. Oh, you're down 60. Yeah, I mean, like, don't overtrade. So there's no real point in doing it today. News in 2 minutes. Let's see what the news brings us. Heck, if this news does anything, it probably pops us right through 306, right? That's quite all right, Kid Poker. 300 away, no big deal. You're down to 14 PAs, all 52,000 now, 13 days past, but a few days left for payout. Finding it difficult to make a good game plan right now. Hold me, like, today's not a great day to be on those. I mean, I think I said that up front. Maybe not a lot of people in here, but I'm not trading the PAs today unless something screams at me. I'm not trading them tomorrow either, and I might not even trade them Friday. I don't think this environment is going to be one that's going to be easily to be successful in, especially if you stay in it too long. So we'll see. But we'll see though. Yeah, 2376 on 620 pre-market. I've not visited that high. 376. Yeah, I have them. I have the areas marked out over here. 371 is what I got marked out up there. That 306 makes a lot of sense, I think. Yes, to 5584. I mean, I don't disagree. I think that Mancini has 5582 marked out. So, yeah, Monday might be quiet too, Joseph. I'm just going to be careful. Patrick's blasting Tanya. Why? So funny how he does. I think I'm not watching him obviously today, but like sometimes I watch him. But well, funny how he does that. I mean, he was basically the one who was promoting her, when she first started, and now he's blasting her. She was going to be a part of the whole only prop firms thing and all that. I'm not quite sure what happened. I haven't seen Tanya in a while. I did kind of rewatch her stream from yesterday. Looks like she had one loser and one break even. And on her loser, I was like, man, she was up like 30 points and didn't take any profit, didn't scale. So, yeah, that's what I'm saying, Riggedy. It's like one of those days where you should just kind of be careful. So, best loser wins. Let's go. Or the best winner wins. I mean, however you want to look at it, right? Woo, look at that. There's the news. My chart froze. There's the boner candle. We did not quite get to 306, though. Yeah, I agree, regular. He's mad she took his viewers. So she's staring at the charts without trading. Is she doing that today? I don't know. I mean, she's just very patient, from what I understand. I like this wick. I like this wick that we put in up here. So I'm going to see if we get a setup. Go to this wick. And obviously we got the other wick up there too. Let's see if we got a setup to go there. Didn't quite run this liquidity down here. I want to see that ran. These intra, not scalp. Yeah, exactly. All right, I might take this on the PA. Maybe. If we get a setup out of it. Could possibly go wrong. Exactly. We could lose money.
Okay.
Watching here, considering not entering yet. All right, I'm in. Just looking for 6 points, so we need 280. Not getting it. All right. Yeah, not looking good. This might be a loss. Let's see here. Need 280 on a push up here.
Did you go long?
I'm long, yes.
Okay, nice.
Looking for 280. Well, not nice yet. We're in the red, so.
Oh, okay. I didn't know what your entry was.
Oh, goodness. Death. All right, we took a loss there on the PAs. On 270. I don't know. I hesitated there, and that's the thing. Like if I don't hesitate there, I get the money. If I just go in when I'm supposed to go in there, I get the points.
Surprised you went long. Usually you go short, don't you? Usually you do the 50% pullback.
No, I should have waited for one side to be ran or the other. I think that's the mistake I made there, but that's okay. I'm okay with it.
Nice trader.
I guess I didn't realize we didn't run this wick. Got to run one side first, and that's what I didn't wait for. So my mistake. Little mental area there. Yeah, Husk. When you got up there to leave, we saw about 6 inches of crack.
Sweet.
We were like, we
It'll
gotta,
be there for your public viewing from moving forward.
we gotta clean that up.
I jumped up all
Clean
quick
up.
like.
We need a belt.
Heck yeah. We revert back to being the best paper trader.
Oh, that sucks. And the problem is, the thing is, I closed that out there, and it still didn't even technically. It's not even technically a closeout, really. Stop out.
Maybe we get our run the highs here, push above the 15-minute.
But can I replay it? AS ask. Replay.
Maybe anticipate with one micro here above the 15-minute here.
Along in the eval again. Well, in the eval this time, not in the funded.
Order filled.
It'll probably work this time.
We're just going to.
They're going to demonetize me for showing that Husk. And there's my profit
Order
target.
submitted.
No, wait. I needed 79, not 75.
Need a candle to print above this.
Yes, I like Take Profit Trader. Hold me. Listens to smooth jazz. He might. Smooth jazz with Husk Trader.
We're just in it for one micro, guys. So we're only risking, what, 70, 20 bucks at the moment.
We're in it with one mini, guys.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Until it breaks out of this range, says Riggedy. Let's go.
Order
Oh,
filled.
goodness. I'm
Order
annoyed because,
filled.
like, I should not have stopped out on that trade.
Look at that nice $100 move real quick. Like, look there, within seconds with one mini. What?
Let's see. I don't like that it's failing to go here. Not going to let it go red on me, obviously. That's dirty. We were up like $300 and it came back and stopped us out.
Damn,
The stop has to have a fixed daily loss limit. Yeah. Yeah, they do me. It's $1,000 on the 50K account. I was up like $300 on that trade.
Man, I'm surprised you didn't lock in some profit on that one.
Yeah. I was looking for the full move up to the 306s.
I may take a short here too off the 15-minute and see what happens. Just won't risk no more than 20 bucks or something. Just waiting for this candle to print.
Need one side or the other to be taken here for me to get some real
Order filled.
confidence. Let's go, Kid Poker. Nice job.
Order
I
submitted.
mean, we probably get there. They were all long, Manny Matt. That's weird. That is weird. That is very, very weird.
What was that be? $16. Yeah.
Order canceled.
What are we doing over there, Husk?
We were just testing the lower the 15-minute opening gap. We only risked like less than 20 bucks. So lost like what? 92, about $16 on that trade.
I think if we break below 44, we see 35 pretty quickly. Obviously, I think that's kind of clear. If you got 5 passed or whatever, how many did you say you passed? You back to 6? Oh, 6. Let's go.
Yeah.
244 here. I think we go probably actually through like 50. We probably make it to 35. I don't know, Charles. I hope not. Jamie wants to get back in. Well, I want to see one side or the other taken. I kind of want to see the 36 cleared out first, I guess, since we're this close to it. I don't want to chop in a range here between these two data wicks, the data high and the data low there. What's that, Maxie? Max said something. I would just wait, Matt. So let's see a sweep of one or the other. Max says long. All right, Max says long. I mean, it kind of looks like a long, but we're still in this inside range here, so. I would say, I mean, I don't know, man. This is such a tough spot. If we break above 76, we probably see 86.
Yeah, the volume's
But
there.
I don't know. That way too, Joseph.
I'm late to the
I don't know. Just flip a coin. I think ultimately we move up too, but I think we come back and clear out the 36 area first, maybe.
Yeah, it's gonna be a hard trading day. I feel like trader.
All right, below 50 here, we'll see the 35s quickly, I think. Let's get a red, just one of those red candles in here. See if we break below 50 here, then I think we get to that 35 quickly there. Yeah, I think so too, Joseph. Yeah, I think 6 is enough, Matt. You don't need a lot. ES looking stronger than the NASDAQ here for sure. VWAP bounce there. Got about 17 minutes until initial balance is set.
So on that initial balance, is that where you
Jamie,
pull back into it and bounce?
Yeah, you either use it as support or resistance.
Okay.
Yeah, the link's in the top of the chat there, Matt. We're going to be doing a giveaway on this channel in just a bit. Our lead initial balance is the high and the low from the opening hour, so 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m.
Man, do we want to test the
Pushing higher. If you were going to get in, you should have got in at 67, but that's my plan.
I'm just using the 15-minute.
Order filled.
Liked and sub, Matt. Let's go. You the man. I kind of wanted it to run this week first, but yeah, it looks like it wants to.
And it still may pull back and test the 15 minutes. I mean, you got to think we're only in it for what, 10, 14, $28.
Currently long or what?
Yeah. I mean, what I'm doing is I'm entering where I think we may find support, which is at the 15-minute opening range. And if it doesn't go, it just doesn't go. But I hate that we don't have volume, so it's really hard to add when you don't really have that breakout volume.
Yeah, if I was going to long, I should have did it at 67. Didn't quite trust it. 90, we may stab here. Really should wait for a pullback though, but it may just go without us. Probably just wait for a pullback.
It's kind of like we want to add to our position, but the volume's just not there. I may just take whatever I get on the 1 micro if we do continue up.
It's going to run these wicks. It's just a matter of when, right? Apex just disconnected. Awesome. Dun, 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 dun. Running stops all day, probably fish lips. Got to just clench the butt cheeks and get long. I think through 90, I probably will take the long. I think we run. I don't see how we get 10 points away and not go. Problem is, I don't know. I should have been in way down here at 67. I'm like 23 points higher than I should have been in. But we'll see if it runs. Apex is now back up. Dun, 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 dun. I don't love this entry at all.
Oh, no.
Should have waited for a pullback.
There's just no volume, man. Kind of makes me nervous to even add to my entry.
All right, pushing above 90. Let's see if we get a strong run into the 300 here. Actually, just going to take it off. I want to see a pullback. We may re-enter on a pullback. Yeah, I don't know why it keeps doing that. Should have waited for the pullback to begin with. So basically, break even there. Lost $20. Could have been in the money. Bulenox, no issues. Yeah, my Bulenox is still up. You're yellowed out, you know?
We need 75 to hold on the ES.
Let's see a pullback into the 75s on the NAS. We may be able to take it from there. That's a better entry. Wait for it to retest this 1 minute gap down here, and Apex is down again. You know what I'm going to do, guys? I think I'm going to put a. I'm going to screen record from my laptop. I'm going to put my Apex on the laptop and see how many times a day it actually disconnects, and send it over to them in a ticket. So you just have to follow your strategy. Yeah. It sucks. Like, the thing about it is, like, when it disconnects like that, they're like, oh, it's no big deal. If you're managing a trade with no stop loss, kind of like I do, where I manually add these profits and stop losses, and I manually manage my trade, then it makes it hard to do that, right?
I may have to get out of this trade real quick. The ES looks like it looks weak again.
Probably okay. Tower's causing the rhythmic servers to lag. I don't know. Then why does Ninja disconnect too? Why does Ninja disconnect? Test of the 75 here kind of makes sense. See if we get it.
May close this trade if we don't start moving and just look for another entry, because the ES to me just looks like it just wants to pull back.
Your PA's payment not going through? What do you mean, AS? You're trying to pay your fees? Yeah, that's me, regular person. I've never had a problem on the Billinox accounts, but I'd like to see it pull back into the 75s here. Let's see.
Order filled.
Just to give me another sweep.
Yeah, I just thought the ES looks really weak. We'll look for another entry. If you were scalping, that would have been a pretty good scalping trade. You could have probably got your 10 points.
Joseph said under 80, it's going to 60. We literally pulled back to 75 and I didn't hit the button. Yeah, try one of the other options, AS. There's 3 different payment options. Option 1, option 2, and option 3. So try just one of the other ones. It should let it go through. Oh. Yeah, I didn't hit the button there, even though that's kind of what I was looking for. A little bit deeper, I thought. It said 75, but I was thinking or to kind of just tap this gap. Let's see what happens there. If you guys are unaware, we are doing a giveaway today, $100. We're going to be doing it on Husk Trader's channel. He's the one that's with us here. A link to his channel is pinned in the chat. If you want to go ahead and go subscribe, you have to be subscribed. The giveaway will be done on his channel, so you have to be subscribed to win. Fish lips. That's a good analogy. I like that, fish lips. Apex reminds me of a cab company that has cabs breaking down and stranding people and says it's not their fault. It's the cab. Taking the cab during rush hour is sure to break down. Oh. Yeah, that's hilarious. It's a good analogy. Very thoughtful. All right, Leonard, appreciate you. I don't think funded companies are a scam, but.
All right, here's your deep pullback. Let's see if we can find some support. We need the 15-minute to hold up. That'd be a decent long area.
I close below this, and this will be my short. It'll be a short entry if we close below this box. So. But it needs to hold. Max said long. He just told me he said long. Thanks, AS. Good job.
I may test the
Glad
waters.
it worked.
Order
I
filled.
think long makes sense here. I'm gonna
I mean, I just
put my
won't
take
risk.
profit
I just
at.
won't risk a lot. We're less what, 10, 20 bucks. I don't want it to come down and hit us right on the. This is just a filler trade, guys. So I don't recommend following this unless you're going in with extremely low risk.
It's the flush below 250. No fish lips. I can't have it. They're middle of the range here, though, being honest.
Order submitted.
Closes below my box here. I'm going to take a short.
Looks like it wants to go.
Which way? Down?
I don't know. It
That's
looks
what
like
it
it's
looks like to me.
yeah. Looks like it's hitting it.
Order canceled.
All right. This account's we only need $200 more to get this account to the funded level, and this one's 111 away. So got two accounts fairly close.
All right, I flip short. All right, taking one off there.
Nice short.
Let's see if we get down to that wick down there this time.
That's kind of where I was thinking too. That 35. Yeah, 35. Late to the party, my guy. Late to the party. I was thinking of a long back above the 15-minute opening range.
Oh, well, I was long too. I flipped short.
You flip short real quick.
Mm-hmm. I move my stop back up here, guys. I just think it's going to run through there, and I don't want to get wicked out here where it takes me out. Holding up here at the VWAP. Both of these are at the VWAP now. Oh, come on. Don't do me dirty. Maybe it doesn't make it. I don't know. Seems like it wants to, but
I didn't even see you
doesn't
flip
have
short.
to. Yeah, it was quick. Dun, 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 dun. Got to fight through the VWAP here and we'll go. What's that inversion failed there? I flipped short. VWAP is a brick wall here. Design is long. Might be the play design. I don't know. I don't know. We still haven't ran one or the other. We're still like inside this range, right?
Yeah, I had to get down to the 66, 65s to run the ES wick. But you just don't know which one you're going to get first, though.
Yeah, that's kind of the problem. That's kind of the problem. Yeah, psych level's 50.
I may take another stab above the 15-minute if we can get above it.
If it stops me, it stops me. I got my stop in, so. Yeah, I mean, it's easiest to wait for one or the other to be ran, and then you kind of got a clear direction, right? So, it's kind of the problem right now. Yeah, Jan, I agree. I agree. It's tough to do. All right, if it doesn't get through on this candle, then I'm going to just be stop break even. I want it to get through on this candle and go. I think we've given it enough opportunity to get through there. Yeah, so it just got me. That's fine. I gave it enough opportunity to get through there, and it just didn't do it.
Was it a break even or a small winner or loser?
We won. We're basically we lost money on the exchange with the long and the short there, but that's all right. So now I'm going to wait for one to be ran. To be one to be ran, I'm going to wait and see which side gets ran first. Session mid and point of control right now. Yeah, makes sense. So we're going to do a giveaway, guys. Probably, I don't know. We'll do it at 11. So initial balance is set. So we'll start the giveaway at 10:40. So in 10 more minutes, we're going to start the giveaway. If you're not currently subscribed to Husk's channel, we're going to be doing a giveaway on his channel. So you need to click the link in the top of the chat there. Go subscribe so that you can join the giveaway. So, but they're saying Apex Quant is overwhelming rhythmic accounts. You don't even have Quant. That's funny.
I haven't tried Apex this morning. I've been on just Beulah Knox.
I did take one trade. It executed properly, but it has disconnected while I've been paying attention like 7 or 8 times this morning already. Fishing tackle is expensive. Let's go, Daniel. So, and this is about to trigger another long on a close above 67. The problem I have with it, it's just what I just said. We've not ran any of the wicks. We're on the inside range of that data high and the data low. And I want to see one broken. I want to see it take one or the other. I mean, I prefer the low to be taken first, but
we still
may not happen. We're just... You're thinking of long?
Yeah, I'm probably going to take a filler long here at 1 micro. I just hate there's no volume. The volume.
I don't think it's horrible. I hate how it's like inversing back and forth, though.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Like there's no volume for a good follow through.
Try resetting this camera right quick. See if it even comes back up. Yeah, still not working. Seek and destroy, exactly, Aaron. Daryl had to use a lot of fuel to get the SS trailing drawdown out of the path of the hurricane. Your blown accounts are appreciated. Yeah, there's a lot of wicks down. That's what I was talking about. We got the midnight open. We got the data wick. We got, these relative equal lows down here. I think that's where we go first, but I mean, I've given it a try here, gave it the old college try. This long here, I don't hate, but I don't love it either. Like, it's not my entry. My entry is always a close below, like, an inversion. I don't usually just buy fair value gaps, but that's what I did there. So Dun, 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 dun. Did you take that long, Husk? Let me see. I'm not. I got your stuff pulled up, but I'm looking.
No. We're still kind of waiting. Just kind of.
As long. Yeah.
We're only going to enter on one micro, so we're not going to be risking probably no more than 20, 30 bucks at the most.
Yeah.
But it's just I don't see the volume pushing up. It's like we're just stuck at that 72 on the ES. If 72 can hold, maybe we can continue higher. But
Yeah, no real follow through. Exactly.
everything's a wall today, man.
I still feel like we go down first, but I don't know. What's the box say? I didn't even see it. Just need 400 for the out. Last few weeks been terrible. Your count is going down and down. Yeah, I'm trying to work on some take profit trader accounts as well. So,
Oof.
pulling back here. The giveaway. We're going to start the giveaway at 10:40. So in a few more minutes.
4 minutes.
It's just Alex P. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Stuck in 2 trades. Yeah. Now that sucks. I want to see us breach this 36, and I think that will give me the confidence to take a long there. But I think until then, maybe, yeah, that would kind of make sense, Trev, too. Like maybe retest the initial balance low down here. We'll take a long or a short off that area. I think makes a lot of sense. Might be the play today. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe. Once again, we're going to do the giveaway here in about 3 or 4 minutes. You got to be subscribed to Husk channel in order to participate in the giveaway. So we got 167 people in here.
Do we tempt the filler trade here?
Order filled.
Maybe I will. Just use the.
Up to you.
Yeah, we'll risk a little bit.
Husk is at 279 subs.
Order
up from
submitted.
241. Let's go. Thank you, guys. We can do better than that. We can, in fact, do better than that.
All right, let's see what this next printed candle we need to go.
Matt, Husk's channel is pinned in the top of the description there in the chat. Let's go, Lucas Del Lima. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I think we're going to go higher too, but man, I wanted to see this ran first. You can see this inversion here still got closed below, so it would have stopped me out even if I taken that. So I'm sitting in the Soho loft. That's right. I'm in the loft. Giveaway, Ross. You're going to go over to Methodic or go over to Husk channel, and you're going to type in exclamation point raffle or cash raffle.
Yeah, I think it's
in the description in the chat, and then he'll draw a winner. Yeah, I know, Anna. It's a rough one. So it is a rough one. But Husk channel is pinned in the chat there at the top of the chat. Just click the link; it'll take you right to it. Raffle, RAFFLE, exclamation point raffle. The channel's at the top, Sirius. The link should be at the top here. I'll drop it for you in the chat one more time here. Let's go. Jay Ramos, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Hey, Husk, you want to go ahead and start the giveaway over there, or are you currently in a position?
I'm in a position, but I'm not in very deep enough to really matter. It's just where we up about 3 points.
If you're in a position, we can wait until you're out.
All right. We were just trying to add to the position. Oh, don't put it in yet. I have to start it, guys. I haven't started it. Oh. Might want to tell them not to.
They can hear you.
Oh, okay.
They can hear you. Savages.
Dude, I don't even think this is going to go.
Yeah, ES looking a little weakish there. I don't know, man.
know.
I'm gonna sit on my hands
Order
until we
failed.
get out of
Alright,
this
we'll just
data
go
high
with
and
it.
data low range.
All right.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
Oh no, Neo over in Husk Traders. You got to go
All
to
right.
Husk.
All right, guys, we're about to start it now.
Send it
All right.
over there. Let's go. Come on, raffle.
You have 20 minutes. So if you did enter, you may have to re-enter again.
All right, watch this, guys. Let me show you how this works. Methodical Man entered the giveaway. Methodical Man just entered the giveaway. Let's go, Valdemar, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. So again, guys, if you have not yet, go over to Husk channel, subscribe, enter the giveaway. Let's go.
So right now here's the number of users if anybody's curious.
You got to have PayPal or Cash App, guys. PayPal or Cash App. Yusuf Kamal over in Husk. Come on now, you know this. There's this channel right there. Right there. Dropping the link in the description.
You still got time. You got 18 minutes left.
We'll do the giveaway here at about 11 a.m. So once again, you got to enter. You got to subscribe to Husk. You got to be subscribed. That's how she works.
The key is multiple accounts.
We welcome multiple accounts. Nothing wrong with that. Neo says, keep longing.
I'm already out of my freaking long. Dang it. I couldn't. I just.
You only have crypto only. Uh-oh. All right, let's go over there into Husk. There you guys are trolling, mate.
Sorry about that.
I know you guys are just trolling over here. Entering it in my chat. Oh.
Dude, I think I could have added to my position if I stayed in it. But it still didn't have the volume or the push. It's been like make you be puckering and stressing a little bit as we move higher.
Explanation poop. Us just went over 300 subs. Let's go.
Nice.
200 away from another giveaway there. Look at this thing go now. It's so annoying how it does this, right?
I know, man. I got scared out of it. I saw the ES start pushing back down. I closed my trade.
We're going to get an SMT. There's going to be an SMT here.
Yeah, that's what I want to see is the run of this wick. Then
Project Outcomes entering the raffle, but you're not getting a ticket. Are you entering it in Husk? You got to be.
Make it $500.
Can you look and see if you see Project Outcome on your list of participants?
Project Outcome is 57.
And there's the data being run. The data high at 300 on the NAS.
I see Project Outcome. You can see if he looks on the stream, he can see his name.
Okay, you've been entered.
Yep.
You already entered. Muffy the Cat, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. Muffy the Cat, jump over there to Husk Trader and enter the giveaway right quick.
I can't
jump on over there to.
I jumped out of this crap, man. Look at that.
Dude, it's just gonna wait. I mean, like I'm okay with it because, like, at the end of the day, it's going. You know, now it gives us a clear target back down here at the 235. So
when you're looking for the target, you're looking for it to pull back and bounce off of that to go higher, right? Is that kind of what you're looking for?
I mean, technically speaking, on the initial balance, I do, but in this scenario, I'm not going to
No.
because we have the data low down here. I think maybe, I don't know. We'll see what happens here. Normally, I would be looking at. You got a sub deep hanger, and then you got to go explanation point raffle. You see what everybody else is typing in his chat. You just type the same thing. TPing Neo, nice job, nice call out, TP Neo. Why does it go? How does it go? Give me the up. Oh yeah, that's exactly right. I wanted to take the bottom first. I wanted to take 236 first because shorting this is kind of
I know.
sketchy. I'm actually going to long here. What the heck? We'll take one off there. I mean, we do have an SMT with the ES here, but I'm going to put my stops down here, kind of below this swing.
Well, we're about to run into some resistance at that 75. So you might have to sit through it a little bit.
I can't sit through it. It's got to go or it don't go.
No.
We know can sit through it. All right. We took our first position there. So we already made profit, can't lose, stops at break even. We're going to target kind of 325s. Maybe even more. If it comes down, you'll DCA. Let's go. You know that sound. That's right, Black Beauty. You know that sound. Kid Poker. Are you short, Kid Poker? 370? Yeah, I could try 370. Might get stopped here, though. Let's go. Let's go to the moon, guys. Let's go to the moon. No stopping out.
I'm going to have to see a pullback. I hate that I got out of my order at the 70. I saw it start losing at 72, and it scared me out.
It is just going to the moon. ES is pushing above 75. It's got a ways to go to get to the data high. I think the ES probably runs it. I might use my stop as my take profit here and just move it up. So we're currently at break even 304.75s. See if it can go. Once again, guys, we are doing a giveaway on Husk channel right now. $100. Link in the chat, top of the chat there. Jump over to his channel, subscribe, enter the giveaway. It's tough to short in front of that, right? It's just Alex. It's really tough to short. That's why I was like, man, I don't know. Normally I would short up maybe off this resistance here. I don't love my entry here. It's a little higher than it should be, probably 6 or 7 handles, 5 handles. But once it bounced, kind of gives you the idea that maybe we're going to go higher. So got our stop in. We're locking in. We got 175 closed up here on the total profits on the day. So it stops us, but we'd like for it to just continue higher. 55.84, like you called. Yeah, I think we can get there. I mean, it seems reasonable for sure.
I'm going to have to go kind of with the pullback first.
Pullback. I can't have a pullback.
Oh, well, I missed the entry.
Kid Poker, you don't have a stop on? Remember, you got to keep a stop on, man.
Where's Kid Poker long?
Yeah, he's short.
Oh, he's short. Oh.
I don't know where you're short from, Kid Poker, but not quite sure. The funny thing is, if we do get stopped out here, that would be kind of a sort of a short setup. Not really, though. This gap is not obvious enough for that to be a short setup. This gap here is. It's 12 points. Dun, dun, dun. Currency Goddess is short too, but I think in real life, not in trading.
I
I
think
mean,
so, trader. Sorry, go ahead.
anything. Oh, no, I was just going to say anything's possible in the ES or in the NASDAQ there, Alfred. So there's your pullback, though, Husk, if you're trying to get in.
Yeah, I prefer it to be a little deeper than that. I mean, it's just barely pulled back on this.
Michael Edward, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Check on Husk subs over here. How's he doing? Are we inching towards the 500? 313.
That's okay. It's still a goal later down the road.
That ain't no pullback. Almost got me there. Almost got me on that wick.
I want
It
to see
might
it.
get me here.
I want to see it hit the wick. I want to see it hit the data wick.
Yeah, that would still be a retest of the IBH and also 300. So stop me out there on my runner. I tend to agree, Manny Matt. I don't hate a retest of the 300 here, but the 305, 306 area was also a data wick from a while back. Oh, I sneezed. So that might be all you get. Well, Kid Pucker, where are you short from? I mean, I was thinking 300. I don't think you can be short from much lower than that, could you? There's no way. All right, now we're going to retest the IBH and the whole number here. I mean, kind of a ballsy. I mean, I think it's okay. Kind of would be a ballsy entry here. You know, of course, I took it.
What are you doing? Going short too?
I'm long.
Oh.
Not going to give it much, though. If we lose the 90, I'm out.
I'm going to wait for this candle to print and see what happens here.
Well, ES is retesting the 75. Lines up right with IBH here. ES still did not touch IBH. Didn't touch the data wick either. So I think the draw is still higher here, but it may not be. So we'll see. If we don't hold the 90, I'll just get out.
Well, remember, it could fill in this fair value gap here at the 85s, probably. Yeah, 85s.
Dun, dun, dun.
If we do go below the 90s.
Kid Poker's short from 77. Woo, Kid Poker, that's a long way down, bud. Night you enter gold buy right at the daily pivot line and went upside 350 pips, but used only 3
Order
micros.
filled.
Well, let's go. That's still a good trade. Ripping out of there. Let's go.
Order submitted.
I'll start singing like Patrick in a minute. Can you take me higher? Marcus says, I didn't like that. Let me turn back down.
Yeah, we're risking 20 on this trade. So it gives about 10 points just below the data wick there.
I've got my stop in right below the 91, right at the 91 here. So we're risking $200. It will put us slightly red if it comes back and stops us, but if we do go back below the initial balance high, I probably just kill it because would expect it to stay above that at this point. All-time highs for America. America. For the July 4th day. Yeah, Terrence, I do the same thing sometimes, right? That's just one of those things that you got to work yourself through. One of those things you got to work yourself through. We got about 4 minutes left on. I'm going to kill it right there, break even. Got about 4 minutes left on this giveaway, guys. Again, if you're trying to get in, you need to go over there and subscribe to Husk and put exclamation point raffle. So There's the link. I just dropped it. It's also pinned in the chat.
Testing the data wick again.
Yeah, I got out. You're still in?
Yeah, well, I'm only in for 1 micro, man. We're not risking a lot. We're just trying to find an area to add.
I like how the ES looks here. ES lost the 75. This looks like this is going to be a lower high and a sell down. Me. We got to get rid of that copier. Throw that thing in the trash. Throw it in the trash. Slade, we can set that up. Message me in Discord. I'm all for putting anyone on the stream. It's fine. Don't have to be family to come on the stream.
I would
holding up IBH here.
Just need a credit card.
Yeah. How much time you got left on the giveaway there, Husk?
All right, let me see.
Husk is my cousin.
4.5 minutes.
4.5 minutes left on the giveaway, guys. No reason to short the top here. Well, that's probably true. Yeah, Kid Poker, but the thing is, man, we may not come back to your entry.
I'll look at questions in a minute.
That's what I'm saying. Take the hit. Don't blow the account. No point in all that. No point in all that. All right, Husk is at 315 subscribers. Now it's going to go without me. Need to get Husk up to the 400. If we get him to 500, it's not outside the realm of possibility, right? Get him to 500, we'll do another giveaway. Yeah, I think so too, Matt. That's kind of what I'm thinking. All right, now it's going to go without me. I mean, we got room here, guys. The NASDAQ has a lot of room to the upside. ES is nowhere near running that data high yet. We're about 4 points off the data high. And then overall, 2 or 3 points above that. I guess 82 is Mancini's next level up there at 82. Currently sitting at 76.
Still got about 2.5 minutes, guys.
Winter Circle Trader, good morning. It's only open until 1 o'clock. But I would probably close at noon. I'd stop trading at noon Eastern. So. Double top here. We did indeed. What do we got on that raffle there left over there?
Husk? 2 minutes.
2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. I'm dropping the link in the chat one more again. One more again for you guys. 336 is the next pivot. I don't know why I don't have any pivots showing on my chart. You essentially have 1 minute because you got to be subscribed for 1 minute. This thing is just pushing here. Slade said he can't wait to win. Let's go. Got to get that W. Did it end yet, Husk? I don't think it did it?
No, we still have 1 minute left.
1 minute. Hey, Gabriel, looks like an only buy type day, right? The guy from Top Step warned me of 2 p.m. news. I don't know. It closes at 1, so I don't know what he's doing at 2. Market won't be open.
All right, 30 seconds.
30 seconds on the giveaway. 30 seconds. Back here. That's the shock of the hour right there, the top of the hour coming through.
All right, 12 seconds.
Top Step sent me an email and said that. Top Step sent me an email. All right, Husk, go ahead and extend the raffle for just click on those 3 dots and let's open entries back up until 11:05. We'll give you guys 5 more minutes.
Yeah, I'll have to find that.
It's right there. It's right there on your screen. Just click on the where you close it at. You click right there and hit
All right.
Reopen or whatever.
Resume entries.
Yep.
All right.
We're going to do it at 11:05. So you got 5 more minutes. We won't extend it anymore. You know how it goes. You know how it goes. Let's go, Currency. Got it. 7:02. Nice. So you got 5 more minutes to enter the giveaway. There's the link. Just 5 more. That's it. I know there's going to be a few of you jumping in right here last minute. So we're going to give you 5 more minutes and then we're going to do it. It's going to be 4 $25 cash giveaways, PayPal or Cash App. Yeah, you don't have to enter again. If you've already entered, you're still in.
So hopefully in the next couple weeks, I'll hit the 500 and we'll have another giveaway. And if you guys aren't watching on the daily, we'll just let you know from a Methodical Man stream. So we're still up about 10 handles. So entry looks good.
I forgot you're still in this trade.
Yeah.
I mean, I do kind of think it goes up here, but I would like, I mean, I don't know. I need another pullback. I should have got in on that wick down at the top of the hour there, I guess. The wick down, we should have got in.
Like I want to add to my position, but man, there's just no volume. I know as soon as I add, that thing's gonna reverse. So it's hard for me to add to my position.
Yeah. Oh, you got yours froze winter. Yeah, I've had that happen before. Looks like an older version of me. You see that? Let's go, Sonny. We appreciate you. After Husk giveaway, we need 50 viewers and likes to play marbles on volatility. Yeah, maybe we can do that. Yeah, I agree, Jamie. It's not been like the worst, right? All right, retesting. Okay, here we go. This is interesting. Kid Poker, this is your time, brother. This is your time. Nah, it's not my older brother.
Older brother.
He's here. All right, was that just a manipulation lower there? Is that gonna just a little liquidity grab?
I feel like 85 was the area. I thought maybe we would run this what do you want to call it? This fair value gap.
Test of the Tom Sabo box. What's up, Braden? How's it going? You post a Twitter link in here. You'd have to email it to me or either send it in Discord, Matty Matt, and I can post it if you want, or either something like that. Braden in the house. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm a little tempted. So Yeah, it's still going to open at 6 p.m.
So
A
even
little
though
tempted.
we're closing early, we're gonna open back up at 6.
Yep, today and tomorrow.
Oh wow, I didn't know that.
6 p.m. today, 6 p.m. tomorrow. Still open back up.
All right, guys, it's been 5 minutes. Do we need any more time?
If you haven't already, is everybody in? Laura says, I win every day with Husk. I am so lucky. Four-leaf clover. Kissy, kissy. So sweet. It's so sweet. It's so sweet. That's why I say get a room.
Did you jump in for the long? I kind of.
Me? I'm trying to. I am.
All right, give me a minute. Let me see if I can get out of this trade real quick.
See a run back through the high here. Quick run would
Order
be nice.
filled.
All my fundeds here.
Order filled.
21s. We need 22s. Come on. Give it to us. Give it to us. Let's go.
Order filled.
Back to green.
All
Back
right.
to green. Back to green.
All right, see that quick and easy? I'm up $180 off of that trade. We just had to be a little patient. That's all.
Look at there, guys. That 30-second long trigger. I don't know if you guys were watching the 30-second chart there, but I took it for 10 points with 2 minis on the 250Ks, up $135. I know you heard the magical noise. I know you heard the magical noise.
Winner, winner.
Dong dong.
All right. All right. We're closing entries.
Entries are officially closed. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys what I entered off of right here. That right there. That's what I entered off of.
So you just said this is my first time doing like the raffle. So just hit pick winner.
Yeah, so we're going to click pick winner. So bring it over on your screen so everybody can see.
Yeah.
Of course, it'll show it in the chat too. And we're going to pick a winner.
Got Chatfu.
Who?
Is that how you say his name? Chatfu?
I don't know.
CHAT?
Chat.
Yep, chat.
Are you in the chat here? Over there, and you need to be in Husk chat or my chat. Doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Make yourself known.
Or I guess on the stream it just has Foo at Foo.
Oh, the name is Foo. Yeah, so
Yep,
not chat.
Foo is here.
Foo is here. Let's go. Foo, you need to send an email to methodicalman@gmail.com with your Cash App or your PayPal. I just put it right there in the description. I'll pin it. Let me pin this to. Oh no, I can't. But anyways, it's right there in. Send me a screenshot showing that it is in fact your YouTube channel. So.
Oh, it won't let you see the stream. Oh, sorry.
You got to pull it back over. So we got 3 more to pick, guys. 3 more to pick.
I think what it is, oh, yeah.
So let's hit pick winner again.
Oh.
Right. Let's go ahead and pick a second winner.
Yeah, you can see it. I see it.
I'm talking to you, Husk. You got to hit pick winner again. There we go. Who's the next one?
Jan?
Jan?
Yep, Jan.
Jan what? What's the last name?
Furbot? I'm not really sure how you say their last name.
All right, Jan. I can't see it. It's hard for me to see. So small. Jan Freebot?
Freebot? Is that how you say it?
I don't know.
I'm not sure if we're saying that last name right.
Jan Freebot, are you here? Are you in my chat or in Husk chat? Make yourself known, Jan Freebot.
That looks like Jan
Not quite
Freebot.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's Freebot. Where are you at, Jan Freebot? Are you here? And you have until the end of us picking the winners to make yourself known. Otherwise, you will be forfeiting your prize. Let's see. I cannot tag Jan in my chat. So let's try to tag Jan in Husk chat. Not tag her in your chat either. All right. So we're going to go ahead and we'll give Jan until the end. And if we can't find Jan, we'll pick another. So
there's her name. I just
let's go ahead. Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, it's posted by Streambots as well.
Oh, okay.
Streamlabs. Go ahead and pick another winner. Winner number 3.
Fabe.
Fabe is one. Let's go. I know Fabe is in here. Congratulations to Fabe. Where you at, Fabe? Make yourself known. W Trade said, I'd love to take it. Give me his place. There's Fabe. You see my email up there, Fabe. methodicalman@gmail.com. I'll post it again. Send me an email showing that, a screenshot showing that it is in fact your YouTube channel. And send me your PayPal or your Cash App. Winner number 4. Let's see who it's going to be. Not resume entries. Pick winner, Nut. Inna won. Let's go.
How do you say their
Inna
last
with
name?
the victory. We don't care about the last name.
Okay.
I know Inna's in here.
All right.
Make yourself known, Inna. Where you at? You want the $25? Let's go. There's Inna. Send me an email, Inna, to methodicalman@gmail.com with your Cash App or your PayPal. And have we so is Jan here? Did Jan make herself known? Jan Freebot, where you at?
I haven't seen her.
Jan Freebot. Let me see if I can @Jan. It's methodicalman@gmail, and I just posted it. It's up above there. You see it. You should see it there in the chat. 3 or 4 places up.
If Jan doesn't make herself known, we'll be picking one more winner.
Yeah. Are you here, Jan? Anybody able to tag Jan? I'm unable to tag her, so that means that she's probably not here. Oh, Jan can also be a male. Oh, okay. So Jan Hammer, I'm assuming you're a male? I don't see SNR yet. Maybe next. All right, we got 10 seconds for Jan to show up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, as far as you know, 3, 2, 1. All right, pick another.
All right.
Sorry,
Jan. Cardley.
Who won?
Cardley.
Clarity.
Oh, it's
Another OG. Clarity. I know you're here, Clarity. Where you at? Clarity is one. Let's go. A couple of OGs went in today. There's Clarity. Clarity, send me an email, methodicalman@gmail.com. Cash App, PayPal, and also screenshot your YouTube. And when I say screenshot your YouTube, all you got to do is, if you guys don't know how, if you're on mine here, all you got to do is click on your icon and just screenshot this. So I know it's you. That's it. Let's go, Neo. Nice job.
Thank all you guys for showing up today and hanging out, chit-chatting. We're still going to be here for one more hour. Didn't you say we're going to stay on until 12? About 45 more minutes.
Yeah, we're gonna stay till 12. Let's see what we can do. So,
right. So,
and if you still haven't subscribed to Husk for whatever reason, you can still, hit the subscribe button there. We got to 321. He's gained 80 subs today. Let's go. Appreciate you guys.
So just stay subscribed. If I hit 500 in the next week or two, I will let you guys know in Methodical Man's chat. That way you guys can come over for the giveaway when we do get to 500.
Oh, SNR says Clarity is my cousin. He wants me to receive the cash, or she wants me to receive the cash. Clarity, is that true? Kid Poker, that sucks, man. I wish you would have just covered. Not worth it to blow the accounts. Anna says she just sent the email. I'm assuming Anna's email as well. May not be, but I don't know. Let me check. We got emails from. Gotta let it refresh here. I'm not seeing any. Oh, go ahead.
Oh, I nothing. Did you say Volatility is doing a game today, or was that yesterday?
Yeah, he was going to do a giveaway today.
Okay.
SNR, no way, SNR. That's not how it works. No, I didn't get. Let me check my. It might have went to my junk folder. Let me check. It's methodicalman at Gmail with no underscore, just so you know. So I posted in here.
Dude,
hey, Kid Poker, that sucks, man. Sorry to hear that, man. I wish you, dude, I wish you would leave your stops on. I mean, you're successful when you use your stops. I mean, I hope you realize that. Anna, I got it from you. I gotcha. I hope you realize that. I mean, you're most successful when you use your stops. It's one thing you gotta realize.
I was gonna say, look at my situation, dude. I done lost 3 trades today, but we're still up $180.
So, but for your Cash App, I will need your okay, I guess that's probably what it is. Never mind, that probably be okay. Just received the email from Foo as well. So we got Foo's email. So just a few more. Neo, appreciate you. All right, Kid Poker. Hopefully you return, man. Hopefully you don't give up. It's the only way you don't win is if you give up. So you got wrecked and recover. Let's go, Currency. I like to see it. I did too. You guys saw me. I took a 270-point loser on something that, I mean, like I took the 270 not point dollar loser. I took a short. No, I took a long here. Took the same long here, and I entered kind of late. Took a loser, and then we waited for a spot that made sense, and we got it. Let's go. We got it back. Entry trader. See you Friday. Yeah, I hope so. 371, here we come. Yeah, probably. I mean, we're up to 340s, guys. I mean, like, is there any world where we don't hit the 370s? I don't think so.
Well, we already hit those data highs on the ES though, so may have to get a pullback.
Well, I mean, yeah, we may get a pullback here, but I'm just saying, like 350. I don't think there's any world where we don't run the 70s here. Don't think there's any world where we don't run the all-time highs. Isn't that all-time highs? I think it is. Yeah, it's all-time high 371. Look at this thing go.
You will run in resistance at 65.
Yeah, but so close to 71. I think we just run through there. So we should have held our longs, Husk.
Hey, man, I got my $200 and got out.
You should have let your micro run.
I mean, I should have. I only need $80 more to get this next account over the funded level. So
yeah,
then we'll be sitting on top of 3 funded Bulenox, which I really got to start trading my funded accounts.
Yeah.
So, because we got this one still sitting here that I haven't submitted. It's at 26,508. This is that one I failed 2 weeks ago. This one we need $80, and this one we need $112. Yep. So we'll have 4 funded on Bulanox.
Here's the thing, Kid Poker. I'm just saying, man. Look back on today. Whether you come back or not, that's up to you. But I'm just saying, look back on today and think about what you did wrong. And you did the same thing wrong you always do, is taking the stop off. It's not the trade, it's the stop. So whether you enter a trade and it goes against you, there has to be a point of invalidation, right, for the trade. There's got to be a point where it doesn't make sense to be in the trade anymore. And once it hits that point, you got to be out. You just got to be out. So, yeah, winner circle makes a lot of sense there. And micros, I love micros, guys. I don't get me wrong. I use a mini only for my own, my mental thing. That's just me. Has nothing to do with anything else. I like micros. I think micros are a great way to reduce stress in trading. And if you're wrong with a micro, how wrong are you, right? Husk proves that. He starts out with one micro, and if he's wrong, it's like $12 to $20 on his risk, right? And then once he gets into a position where it's going his way, he'll size in, with more micros and take shorter profits on the larger size of micros, and then try to leave a runner. So, and it takes that mental stress away from you, where if it rips against you 10 points as soon as you enter and you're in one micro, $20. How hard does it make $20 back? So, dun, 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 dun. I like the way he's doing it. That just doesn't work for me, right? I don't have the mental. I don't know. That doesn't work for me, but it works for him, and that's perfectly fine. So, everything is going to work for everybody, right? Me personally, I like to, just have my face ripped off with the one mini when I'm wrong. Just rip my face off. Go for it. So, paper trade. Yeah, you can paper trade. 8 to 12 micros on these 150K accounts. Oh, nice. I mean, that's not bad. All-time highs incoming, guys.
Nice, Drew.
Slung Flung Poo says Kid Poker's an addict. He can't risk. He will be back. He can't resist the boner candles.
Boner candle love.
So,
Drew with the 35 points. Nice.
Beard is getting it today, Gabriel. Man, I looked around so much, and I don't know, man. I can't find anywhere that really. I wanted to go to like a small town barber, or something that kind of specializes in the beards and stuff. But I can't really find one, so I gave up. We're just gonna go to Sports Clips and let them do it.
Oh, I thought you were going to try like some of the where a lot of the black guys go and get their stuff faded. You're not going to try that?
No. I mean, yes, I was, but no, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where to go.
Oh.
Don't know where to go. So 17 contracts passed in one trade. Let's go, Pine Tree.
Fade.
Oh, goodness. Clarity, did I get your email? Let's check. I'll send the money and stuff to you guys after the stream ends. Clarity, I got yours. Fabian, I got yours. Foo, I got yours. Inna, I got yours. So all are in.
So
all are in.
This looks like a test of the data wick off of the ES.
Yeah, the ES is an initial balance high there as well at the 80. So it'd be a decent spot to take a long, I guess. Market's closing at 12:15, I think Eastern today, but trading or 12. It closes at 1. I'm not going to trade beyond 12. So closes at 1 Eastern. Got to go to the Hood Barber. Yeah. I don't know where to go though. That's the thing. I just don't know where to go.
Candlelight, most of the two prop firms I usually use is Apex and Bulanox, and that's just because of the cost. I don't really have traded enough prop firms to say which one I like the best. I've always just chose Apex and Bulanox because they were the cheapest ones, and I wasn't a consistent trader. And it gets expensive if you're blowing expensive evals, But you can walk away and live with a day of losing $15. So usually Bulanox or Apex.
Someone said how long or who's been trading longer, me or Husk? I've been trading longer. I taught Husk everything he knows.
Yeah,
just kidding.
I started trading. Remember, I came down during Christmas, like December, and watched you do it. That was in 22.
Jamie, I suck at trying to trim this thing up myself. The problem I struggle with is this under here. So like this is longer than this, and I don't know. I just suck at doing it. So what's up? I'm just terrible at it. So I want to go somewhere to get it done. ES kind of lost that 80 area there. ES kind of lost the 80 area. Let's see. Yeah, I have a beard trimmer and all that. I don't know. Just, maybe a real pullback. I mean, I don't think it's a horrible spot to maybe try to take a long. I don't know. Actually, Pay the Trader, we know each other. I was driving down the road one day, and Husk was standing at the corner with one of those signs that said, "We'll wash your windshield for $5." And I felt bad for him, so I called him over, let him wash the windshield, and then gave him a little bite to eat, took him under my arm. I'm just kidding. Husk is my cousin. If you reach 5K subs, you should shave your beard and go bald. Let's go. Ross wants you to shave your beard. Oh, you're talking about me. Never mind. Shave my beard? No, my girlfriend would kill me.
Uh-oh. The beard's on lock.
Yeah, she would kill me. She hates it when I shave. I've done it before. Now, I mean, I've done it before where I just show up at her house with like no beard. So, Pay the Trader almost bought the story.
Have you ever?
He was like, "Oh man."
Have you ever had a stash only?
Yeah, I not like really. No, not really. Maybe Husk can shave my beard when he's done cleaning my windows. Let's go. I like it.
Maybe
this is going to probably. Oh, go ahead.
I said maybe this football season. We'll be down in football.
Yeah.
We'll have to do we have to do a Step Brothers thing. We'll be doing your stream at your house in suits or something, tuxes.
Uh-oh. I don't know about all that. Get me having the beard shaved. Oh.
Plumber's crack. Oh, shoot.
Keep that plumber crack put away. Keep the plumber crack put away. I want to see it.
Usually I block out my screen whenever I get up.
Usually he puts a little coffee cup up there.
Yeah. Coffee break.
Thank you, Fish Lips. Tom Hogard. How's he look? I don't even know. So funny. People say people's names all the time, and like, I don't know people by name. So I have to look it up. Oh, he's a trader. Bald with diamond hands. Yeah, I need that. I definitely don't have diamond hands.
Nautical Man's gonna show up with diamond tats on the top of his hands. Oh,
diamond hands. Let's go. Let's see. Nope.
Dude, I was shocked that Apex and Bewley didn't give us a 90% off for the 4th of July.
Yeah, I mean, it's not over yet, so
Yeah,
we'll see. You just did a murder rap. Wiser than most. What did we do? You shorted or you longed? I don't know. I think long's on. I mean, I don't know. Until we get to the all-time highs, we're so close. It just doesn't make sense to do anything other than long. But I mean, you might find a short that works here or there.
I never did look at their survey candlelight that they had. I did hear about it because I heard Nutty talking about it for like I don't know, I swear all day.
I'm sure they'll come out with I mean, obviously everybody said yes to that, whoever took the survey, right? Oh, these are all the things that most traders want. Do you want us to do that or no? I think we'll take that. So, all right, Husk is at 322 subs. Can we get them to 350? We get 38 more people. Wait, is that right? 28 more people. Math is hard. To hit the subscribe button for Husk. Is there 28 people in here who has not subscribed to Husk? Want to do Methodical Man one big favor and just click the link, the pinned link in the chat, and let's subscribe.
No matter what happens, we're still happy with the outcome, guys.
Oh. And everybody that did subscribe, you the man, since Husk didn't call you the man when you subbed.
Oh, yeah. Well, I don't want to they want to take your saying there.
You got to come up with something. What was that? What was that saying you said last night? You came up with a saying. I can't remember what it was.
I don't remember. We talked so much, man, on the phone.
Oh, no. That was Volatility.
Oh.
Volatility said he was going to start saying, "What's up?" every time somebody subbed. Oh, yeah, that was Volatility.
What is that from?
I forgot.
Adam Sandler movie and Vanilla Ice?
No, the 90s commercials, the Bud Lights.
Oh.
Yeah. The wada with the tongue out. That's what it is. ES pulling back a little more here than the NASDAQ. NASDAQ kind of holding up here. ES kind of retesting that 76. Let me draw my Patrick Whelan trend line on here. Boom. Let's get this puppy at a perfect angle. We're going to wait for the breakout.
Dude, I just noticed that you have the fancy office background.
Yeah, I just put that on there today for whatever reason. I can change it to whatever you want. We can go all black. So we can blind people. Well, they put a new one here. I remember which one I was using. Oh, yeah, this one, I think. Yeah.
It's okay. I didn't really
Huckster.
I didn't really get an office until, my kids got over 18 and they started moving out.
Yeah, I learned from the course, Gabriel. All day, every day, I'm in the course. Guys, I don't understand it. I've only gained 20 subscribers today and Husk has gained like 85. What's the deal here? What's the deal?
I think tomorrow's going to be the big sub day. I think should have done it on the 4th. That way.
Yeah, I really didn't know we were open. Husk is cuter. Uh-oh. 200 trades a day, up 5,300. Let's go.
200 trades.
Do a giveaway? No giveaways. We already did one. Just gave away $100. I'm going on vacation. I got a lot of kids. I got a lot of kids. We need the money. Well, you guys will see all the kids for the first time. They'll be together for the first time in a long time. Like, on the vacation, I'm gonna take a little video. So, Joseph, we're going to Clearwater, leaving on Sunday. Winter Circle. Let me see. How many kids are there? Let's see. 8, I think. Let me do the ages for you. We'll break down the ages. You can hear the ages. 21-year-old girl, 15-year-old boy, 14-year-old boy, 13-year-old boy, 13-year-old girl, 9-year-old girl, 6-year-old girl, 1-year-old boy. There you go. Did I skip anybody? Anybody count that? I don't know if I skipped anybody.
So is this volatility's giveaway here? You just have to hit the like button, right?
Where? Volatility's doing a giveaway?
I don't know. I see the marble game he has. I didn't do nothing. I hit the like button. Is that all you got to do? Hit the like button?
You had to do exclamation point marbles to join.
Ah, shoot. I missed that part, dude. Never mind. Unless is it still going on?
Probably not.
Oh,
he's just playing for fun, he said.
Oh, okay. Well, I had it pulled up, so I didn't know. I was sitting here just watching all the little marbles.
Well, George, those aren't okay. So those aren't all my biological kids. They're just kids that I'm responsible for.
It's the beard.
Kids that I'm responsible for. Oh. Mine are how many do I have biologically? Let's see. What is it? I gotta count them. 3? Only 3 of those are biologically mine, but they're my kids. The oldest is actually my stepdaughter from my first marriage, and then my girlfriend has 3 kids. She adopted her niece, and then we have one together. I have 2 kids from a previous marriage. So there you go. There you go. There you go. But hey, they're my kids. You know what I mean. They're my kids. We treat them all the same. Forgot one? Did I? I don't know. I don't know if I forgot any. That's why I need you guys to use those coupon codes, though.
You got to take me out to dinner this August, man.
Take you out to dinner? All right, we got you.
Hang out with me, man. Take me out for a steak dinner or something. I don't know.
Are you saying I got to massage you first? Is that what you're saying?
We don't need no body massaging. I don't like to be touched by other people. I think Laura bought me a massage one time. I ended up just giving it to her. I was like, I don't know if I can handle someone touching me. So I gave it to her.
Long over 40. That's funny. You don't let Laura massage you?
No, we don't do massages. No, I'm just talking about
you don't massage.
I'm a stranger, going to like a massage parlor or whatever those. She bought me a certificate one time for a massage place.
I'll let anybody massage me. I don't care. It could be like what's that dude from what's that guy's name? I don't even know the guy's name. The guy from White Chicks. Big dude who's like does all the dancing. What's that guy's name? You guys know who I'm talking about. What's his name? He can get in there and give me a massage. He's got nice strong hands. Oh, it's just a massage. Yeah, Terry Crews. That's who it is. I couldn't remember his name.
You want these cheeseburgers?
So I don't know if we're taking it cheeseburger style. I don't care who it is, guys, but it goes back to like, I hurt my back a long time ago and I used to go to a massage therapist, like, whatever you call it, a physical therapist, whatever. And it would always be a man. And at first I was like, it's a little weird. No, Hanson. I was like, it's a little weird to let a guy like rub on you. But then after a little while, you hurt so bad, you're like, that's kind of nice. That's kind of nice. Oh, yeah, I get those at home.
That's funny. Just relax.
Anyways. Oh, I didn't even notice that Crystal's the one that said that. He gets those at home. Oh, that's my girlfriend chiming into the chat there. She's listening. She's listening to the massage convo. Shut it down. Shut it down. It always gets weird, Carlos, when there's no movement.
Yeah.
You got to find something to talk about, right? So, shut the chat down. We can't go any further.
Yeah, we're just going to keep our profits. We're probably not going to take any more trades. We'll live with the 180.
I tend to agree unless we get some sort of breakout here. I might take it. Risk the profits. We don't mind. Not on the fundeds. We're going to lock those up.
I know. I'm only $80 away from reaching the goal, so we're going to kind of stick where we're at.
Dude, we can get the $80. Switch over to 5 minis. All right.
Yeah.
What do we need? What do we need? 4 ticks?
We're at 422.
No, I'm saying 5 minis, 4 ticks.
Yeah, my luck, dude, that crap would just go in the opposite direction.
Come on, Husk, do it for the stream. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, Candlelight says
Zero Day J would say that. Is it Apex? But what?
Oh, I was saying Candlelight Trader said that trading said that he is a physical therapist.
Physical therapist.
Or a
Nice.
physical therapist. He didn't say he or she, but
You have to believe. Gabriel says goes 10 Connies, 2 ticks.
I don't know if there's no believing at this time of the day. If it wasn't a holiday, maybe I'd wait till like that, 1:30, 1 o'clock hour.
What could go wrong? How much? You blow an eval that you worked hard on?
I know. What the heck?
Oh, that's a 25K anyway, isn't it?
Yeah. They're all 25.
Okay, so
they're all Beulah Knox 25Ks.
So you'd have to go 4 minis and.
No, I think you only got 3,
ticks.
right? I thought you only can trade 3 minis, 25K.
Oh yeah, it is 3.
Yeah.
So 20, 40, 60. So you need 3 minis and still like 12 ticks. No, not even 12 ticks. What am I talking about? Like 6 ticks.
Yeah, 6 to 8 would get her done.
You could trade this little Tom Sabo box.
I'd rather end there on 1 micro and just spam the buy button or sell button, whatever direction we go. I did that.
Triple equal highs at 38.50. On a Husk, triple equal highs at 38.50. Oh, too late. You should have been ready. Should have been ready for those triple equal highs, Husk. You could have got it right there.
That's okay. We don't want to be disappointed going into 4th of July being red, and think about it in case we don't trade tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't know if we'll get you guys think that we'll get the if he will come at 50 after today at 11:50, will he show up? The murder bot? Will he show up?
Nice, Drew.
Yeah. Yeah, Husk is not going to submit to the peer pressure.
No, I'm not sure yet, Trader, if we're streaming tomorrow morning or not.
All right, we're getting a breakout here. Sure, why not?
I mean, as right now, I don't have any plans to do anything tomorrow, unless, not really sure. I know the wife's off tomorrow too, so.
The wife, aka the warden, the runner of the prison.
That's some old school, man. The warden thing's been around for since we're 20s.
All right, we're out. Break even. Yeah, the warden. If he did, he'd be up more probably. That's what you call the wife. You don't call her the ball and chain. You call her the warden. She's the warden of your prison. Oh, now it goes without me. It's like that TikTok that I see. It says, I am not on vacation. My wife is on vacation. I am her boss. I carry all the things. And there we go. There's my target. Never being in the red. Darn. Put the stop in just a little too quick there. Husk was talking about protecting profits and this, that, and the other, and I was FOMOing into a trade. So, had to put the stop in. Oh, excuse me.
Well, how deep did
I
you
blame
go on
Husk. Yeah, just one mini.
that? Oh.
Just one mini. That's it. I don't know if I'm going to stream tomorrow. I probably will. You guys know me. I mean, what are we doing in the morning anyway, other than just chilling? So we'll probably do some grilling out in the afternoon, little fireworks display at the house, and that's it. Lower high incoming. I don't know. All right, Joseph, appreciate you. I mean, I think we run the 71s. I think it's kind of like a foregone conclusion here. But whether or not we can run 25 points in the last, 15 minutes here, we'll see.
Did you already go to the fireworks stand?
No, I'm going to go today.
Oh, I'm just kind of curious how expensive fireworks have gotten.
Probably be like 2-3 bills deep. The markets are open tomorrow, Dr. Swag. Maxie, what's wrong, bud? You got to go outside? I'll take you out in a minute, bud. Come here. Oh, Maxie. He said, I know you were trying to pick me up. I am not coming. Max has a sock fetish. If I took my sock off, he'd come over here. You guys haven't already hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Let's go. Same thing for Husk. We got the Husk Trader pinned into the chat up there. He got his link pinned up there. Let's hit that subscribe button. We got him at 324 subscribers right now.
Nice, guys. Thank you.
Can you guys run it up anymore? Oh, no, you started at 441, so we need
good,
17
Candlelight.
more. We need 17 more subs to hit 100 on the day. 17 more. There's got to be 17 people watching that did not subscribe. Come on, guys. Let's do Methodical Man a favor and hit that subscribe button. We're there on Husk channel. Got to trim the beard before I play with the fireworks.
You have a good fourth also, Candlelight.
I'll do it. I'll do it. Appreciate you, Roxy. You the man. Not a normal day, Davinia. Daviva? I don't know. We'll call you Dave. Dave in Virginia. Never mind. I see it now. Dave. Yes, they're not open for a normal day, but we open at 6 p.m. tonight. And we're open through noon again tomorrow, or 1 o'clock Eastern, I guess. Definitely not a normal day tomorrow, but we will be open. The 6 p.m. open today with the FOMC coming out at 2 and the markets being closed should be interesting at the 6 p.m. open. Appreciate you, Anna. We'll get that money out to you as soon as we're off the stream. Congratulations.
Winner, winner.
I won't be on later this evening, Anna. We're going to end the stream at noon today since the markets close early. We appreciate you.
Dude, what's the biggest you ever let your beard get? Have you ever got like burly where it's like, inch or two down below the chin?
No, this is pretty much it. This level here is about as burly as I let it get before, and it's pretty bad.
Okay. I've only let mine get long one time.
Yeah, I know you used to have the old what was that called? That show? The old Duck Dynasty. Yeah, Duck Dynasty beard. Appreciate you, George. The old Duck Dynasty beard Husk was walking around with.
It wasn't quite that long. maybe
he had the food all in it.
No, maybe down to my neck. Maybe somewhere around in there.
They'd be like, hey, man, you hungry? I got a Cheeto in here. I got a Cheeto I've been hiding in here.
Oh, Oh shit.
All right, we got 1 minute here. Let's see if anything happens at the 50 mark. I don't really know. I'm not quite sure if the murder bot kicks in at the 50 or not. C cart. I mean, I think long's the play still. But let's see here. Nothing really. Nothing really there. No murder bot. He did not show up today. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know volatility. I'm not sure if it would be 1250 or 1150. I'm not quite sure. I'm not hanging out until the 1250 though. I know that.
Yeah, I feel like it's gonna be like this probably for the next hour. You might get one move out of it, but it'll go back to consolidation.
Now, cart's getting paid. Cart's getting paid. Look at that boner. It's 10. That's 10-point boner candle right there. Rip it through the 70s for cart here. Let's go.
Wow,
Yeah, I think we're going to run through 70. You're going to have a giant SMT here with the ES as well once we run the 70. Your 10 points. Let's go. Nice job.
Dude, I had your picture blocked out. I didn't realize you had your camera fixed.
Oh, yeah. It's been fixed for a while.
Oh, shit. We should have told me. Would have put you back up.
I thought you saw me.
No. Well, I have your stream up, but I haven't really been looking at mine.
Yeah, it's been back up for a while.
Hmm.
I don't know how long, but for a little while there. Can't remember. Just in time to end the stream. Just in time.
Nice.
All right, guys. I do think we're going to go ahead and shut it down here. No point to hang out until 12. I mean, we got 10 more minutes. If you haven't already, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you're interested in supporting the stream, I got all the links down below to mine. Want to support Husk stream, he's got the links down below to his. That's it. Appreciate you coming on, Husk.
Thank you, sir.
And I will be live tomorrow. Similar time, like 9:15 to noon. So catch you guys then. Safe trading, and enjoy your weekend if I don't see you tomorrow. See you, Husk.
Thank you, guys. See you, Methodical Man. Everyone have a good 4th. Stay safe. Stay off the roads. Hopefully, people are unfortunately drinking and driving. Have a good weekend. We'll see you Friday morning.
Yo, you took the headphones off.